Dan Swede with Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. This is a trailer rig that's going to Springfield, Massachusetts, DPW, Department of Public Works, for their sanitation division. This one's got 17-stage filtration system and recycling system on here. We can actually recycle and reuse the wastewater. 14,000 pound rated trailer package, 3,500 PSI at 9 gallon a minute, oversized hot water power wash with high efficiency diesel fired burner, which can save up to $1,000 a month, if not more, in diesel fuel alone over conventional hot water power washers. We do not use the rear trash bin hopper as a holding tank. Some do, which is not normally street legal in any city or state in the country. To have an open top hopper driving around with this type of wastewater that could be full of phosphates from fertilizer, pesticides, oil, grease, etc. Stainless steel hot water power washer on this model. Automated, semi-automated hydraulic lift system. Dual bin grabber. Retractable hose reel, spare tire. 4-wheel electric brakes, 7,000 pound axle. This is actually a trailer that's rated for 14,000 pounds. You can notice the double doors on each side of the trailer allow you to have EV access to all your equipment. You don't have to climb over the hot water power washer to get inside the trailer. 31 horse Vanguard engine, 35 at 9. We don't use the smaller Honda powered units that only go up to 22 horse, so we're getting an extra 40% more horsepower on this. Dual tank. We actually run the supply and recovery tank over the axles for better weight distribution. We don't try to put an extra 5,000–6,000 pounds on the rear axle because of having all the wastewater in the hopper with all the extra weight. So you can contact us at 616-250-4039, 616-250-4039, or go to trashbincleanersdirect.com. Another quick view, these are stainless steel cleaning heads. These actually weigh 15 pounds each, and a 4 nozzle, all stainless steel, high pressure filter on the inlet, bidirectional cleaning head. When the head rotates, the nozzles rotate. This gives us the fastest cleaning speed in the industry, as little as 7 seconds to clean a maintenance can in less than 1 gallon of water. We pull the head before we ship them, and we just spin them out once they get there. You will keep in tune, because next week I will be doing the training for the city of Springfield, Mass on this one, sanitation department. You will see additional uploaded videos at that time. Once again, Dan Swede, Trash Bin Cleaners Direct, 616-250-4039. Thank you.